Rain has arrived for the Lehigh Valley, and with that comes increasing winds as we head through the overnight. Let's get right to the radar here and see this deluge as it's just starting to happen. Rain has overspread the entire state of Pennsylvania. We are looking at light to moderate rain at this point in time, but it's going to kick up in intensity. Here's why. An area of low pressure that's coming out of the Ohio Valley, moving into Virginia. At its closest approach to our state, it's going to be well south of the region. So the positive side with this, we have no warm air to work with, no severe thunderstorms. What we are going to see is plenty of rainfall with this system. High pressure well north in Quebec. We have a clockwise flow around the high with a counterclockwise flow around this area of low pressure, and that means an easterly onshore flow. And as that increases later tonight, it's going to assist with increasing the rainfall rates across eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So batten down the hatches, guys. This is only going to get worse before it gets better, and the wind is certainly going to increase as we head through the overnight. So for tonight for the Lehigh Valley, we are going to see those temperatures drop a little bit as we get into the evening hours, even before sunset tonight, and the wind is going to increase. Through the overnight, it's going to be light at first, but as we head through the overnight period, you're going to see a sustained wind at about 10 to 15, gusts up to 20. As we get into tomorrow morning, cold, guys. It's going to be very, very chilly out there, and the wind is only going to get worse with that rain as the wind comes out of the northeast at this point in time. And once we get into tomorrow, highs about 49 degrees. If you get into the low 50s for Allentown, Bethlehem, and Easton, congratulations. But it's certainly not going to feel like 50 degrees out there with this wind. As it kicks up with the rain, winds will be sustained at 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 to 40 are possible with that rain. So it's coming down sideways at this point, guys, tomorrow morning and the afternoon. And with that said, we do have the chance to see some poor drainage flooding. That's a hazard. And we also have the chance to see a few downed trees because the ground is saturated. The trees have bloomed a little bit here. So be careful if you have any driving plans. 1 to 2 inches of rain overnight tonight, and it's still going to be coming down tomorrow morning and the afternoon. And our woes are just getting started here, guys. Unfortunately, I hate to be the bearer of bad news with this forecast, but this area of low pressure is expected to slowly exit the coast and finally consolidate, get its act together off the Carolinas here, but it's not going to move all that much. It's just going to meander off the coast. And instead of moving northeast out to sea or east, it's going to park itself in place. And with that said, an onshore flow is going to continue. And with that, we are going to experience showers, not only Saturday night, but into Mother's Day. And as we head through time, this low is finally going to slowly drift to the southwest, believe it or not. And that is going to help improve our conditions as we head through next week. So here's your off the radar, everybody, because it's going to get worse before it gets better. The rain is going to linger into Mother's Day morning. So plenty of clouds out there, cool conditions. We are going to still see that easterly breeze, but it's going to subside quite a bit from Saturday, that's for sure. So that's good news. And we could actually see some peaks of sunshine as we get into the afternoon hours on Sunday, Mother's Day. And as that low pressure moves to the south and west, we are going to see that warm air finally make its presence known. It has been delayed. I know we were expecting the 70-degree weather to arrive on Tuesday, but it's looking more like Thursday and Friday. So that's good news. And here's something else for you. I know we have been stuck in a rut since mid-April. This weather has not been very kind to us. So we have a major shift. Models are flirting with the idea of a major shift with our weather pattern as we get into the weekend and beyond. So if you are looking for that summer-like warmth in May for a prolonged period of time, you don't have to wait much longer. So that's the positive side, guys. Stay dry and stay safe, and I'll see you.